There are some points to consider to make sure that your vehicle and trailer combination is compatible with the Continuum hitch. The first thing is you need to have a receiver hitch on the back of your vehicle that has either a 2 or a 2.5 inch opening. The coupler size on the trailer must be either a 2 inch or a 2 5/16 inch, and it must be the A-frame style of coupler. Most trailer frames are going to be the standard 2 inch rectangular tubing width, and the Continuum will work with frames that are anywhere between 4 inches to 7 inches in height. Now, the most popular sizes between 5 and 6 inches is what the standard kit will come equipped with. If you have the shorter frame, 4 inches, or the taller frame, 7 inches, let us know and we'll get you a hardware kit out at no additional charge to make sure that it will work with those shorter or taller frames. You'll also need at least 2 inches of clearance behind the rear edge of your coupler and the next item that may be mounted to your trailer frame. In the case of a travel trailer, that's typically a propane bottle with a tray. Now, if you are closer than that 2 inches, in most cases, the tray that holds these propane bottles can be shifted back to give you the necessary clearance. The Continuum is designed to work with most vehicle and trailer combinations. However, if you have a trailer tongue that's very high off the ground or really low to the ground, and adversely the vehicle, if it's very high or low, then we provided a diagram inside of your installation sheet that will walk you through the math to make sure that you're not outside of that range.